Okay, so this is the firmware update. First thing you do, you're going to pop the top on your NICE1 unit, removing the 6 screws at the top. I like to take them and put them in the cap so they don't run away. Take the handle off, pop the top, pull it forward. So you want to unhook the ribbon cable from the power board. You just kind of wiggle it back and forth and it pops off. First thing you're going to want to do is there's a set of switches here. Switch 1 and 2 need to be pushed up. So that puts this into bootloader mode. So now it's ready to load firmware onto the unit. When you take this unit now and you plug in the mini USB cable to the board, it's going to enumerate on your PC and bring up a window like a flash drive, and it literally is. It is a flash drive at this point. So you plug this in, it comes up and there's a text in there that says ready. So then whatever firmware version you have will send this file to you. It's got two versions of firmware in it. There's a .mote and a .bin. The first one you'll want to put onto this drive is the .mote. So you just drag and drop it into this flash drive. And then it'll sit here for a little bit, let the device re-enumerate. So it'll basically, the screen will collapse and then it'll come back up and it'll say success. Just like that. So then the second thing you do is you go back to the unit for the second file. There's a reset button right here. You can press the reset button. When it comes back up, it says ready again. So it's ready to load the firmware. You go back here, grab the second file, which is the resources.bin. This one takes a little bit longer to program. It's all the images that are on the screens. So we'll go through that, but same format. As this one's programming, you'll notice that the lights on the board successively start lighting up. And at the end, the last green one will come on and stay on solid. And then there'll be a slight delay, again, just like the other one. This screen will minimize. And success. After that, be sure, this is essential, we need to be sure to turn the switches back to the normal operating position, which is all the switches in the off position. Once you've got there, you can just unplug the board, take it, put it back onto the unit, push it back down. Before we screw the unit together, it's good to just check the version of firmware. So whatever version that you just put on, it has the number in the .mote file there, right? So this one is an engineering version 15.2, that when you turn the unit on, you verify that that version is the same. So 15.2.1 in this example. And that's it.